You gotta be one with the bees. Good morning, everyone. It's early in the morning. Well, early enough before the kids got up. But I want to go check these bees over here. The chicken says go check the bees. So I want to go check the bees and see if they've got any comb that they're building. They've been very active. And I want to do this early in the morning before they really get going, and give this a shot. So we want to see if they got any comb going, if we're ready for our next brood box to go on or not. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And there's a rabbit down at the end of my driveway. So let's go get our equipment. Can't show you the garden. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I can't show you that garden. Not yet. Having pollinators out in the wild is a huge must for our large garden that we have. We really love this, and this is going to make our garden go from, you know, just a very small, mediocre suburban garden to something that we can actually thrive on. All right, so Candace is out here with me, and I'm gonna try to film this, but this is gonna be a little tricky, okay, guys? So I'm not one with the bees yet. You gotta be one with the bees. I'm inspecting the hive here as we pull each frame. I'm looking for mites or ants or anything that might be invading the hive. I'm also looking to see if they have honey stored up, if they're making new comb, if they're making new brood and new babies for the hive. Beeswax is a very useful commodity to have on the farm. You can use it in many different ways, and we intend to make that on the farm and use it as much as possible. Well, they're all over me, I know that. The hatching of the bees. I was hoping for the new frames that we put in to be full of a little bit more brood, but it's not quite yet, and that's fine. Everything's just blooming and starting to pop around here, so it'll fill up real quick. We're gonna check them here in another probably week, 2 weeks, probably 2 weeks or so, and we'll see how they're looking then. And if everything looks good, then we can add our second brood box to it. So definitely keep watching how these bees are going around here at Gagne Farms this year with our huge garden expansion, our new bee population. I think we're gonna have an outstanding garden this year. So you guys follow along, and we'll catch you on the next one.